Hello, welcome to Dataset. Today we will download images using Python. First, we will download just one image and understand the logic. Then we will expand the project further and download all the images that we have searched for from this website. We will use some simple web scraping tools like Request and Beautiful Soup for this. Now let's start with downloading just one image. I will open the terminal and install necessary libraries. Pip install requests. Pip install bs4 beautiful soup, and let's also install LXML to use as the HTML parser. And I will change the user agents when every time I make a request. So there is a library for this. I will install it also. Pip install latest user agents. Okay, that was all. Let's create our Python file. I will name it downloader. Now I will import those libraries, import requests from bs4, import beautiful soup, import LXML, and from this latest user agents library, I'll just import the get random user agent function. It shows an error. Let's close the PyCharm and open it again. Okay, the error message is gone. Now let's close this and start the code. First thing we need is the URL. Let's take it from the website. I will search for Python in here and see the images of Python. I will copy and paste the URL in here. Now I will define the headers for our requests. Headers will be equal to a dictionary and change the user agent. And we will use this function in here, get random user agent. This will return a user agent for us. Let's make the request response is equal to requests dot get URL is the first thing in here, and also headers will be equal to headers we defined. Let's convert this to an HTML text response dot text. Now we are ready to create our soup. Soup is equal to beautiful soup. HTML text will be in here, and also we will use LXML as the parser. Let's find the image we want to download in the soup. Image will be equal to soup.find, and let's go to the page. Let's see, let's say we want to download this image. I'll right click and inspect it. This is the image tag and the URL of the image is in here. We are going to reach this URL, but first let's select this element on the page. To do this, I will use this alt attribute. It is a long text, and this is special to every element on the page, so I'll use this as a selector. I will copy this and find it in here, image and attribute alt be equal to this thing we copied. And now I'm going to take the image URL from this. Image URL will be equal to this image, and we will take the source from this. This URL here is equal to this one. So let's make a request there. Image response equal to requests get, and I will paste the URL here. Now we are going to take this response and we will use the content of this response to download the image. To do this, let's import OS. We don't need to install this because it's already in Python, and we will create a directory. Directory name will be images, and we are going to create this directory, os.make directory, and name will be directory name. Okay, now let's open this directory and create a image file in it with open. This will be the directory plus the image file's name, and we will open this in write mode, and also the mode of writing will be B, which is binary, because we are dealing with images, as image file. And for now I'll just paste this and I will use a formatted string in here. The name of the directory will be directory name, slash here we are going to write the name of the image file. Actually we can write here whatever we want, but I want to write here the actual name of the image, which is in this URL. It is in here with .jpg. Now to reach this image file's name, I'm going to split this text from those slashes, and I will take the last item from there. After that, I will split it one more time using this JPG, and I will add the JPG by myself. Let's go to the code. Image URL in fancy brackets, image URL dot split in double quotes. I will use this slash. Now we get after this photo slash, and we get all those items. Now I'm going to split it from here. Actually we do not get it yet. We are going to take the last item from it. Now I will split this last item using the .jpg. Now if I take the first item of it, now I got this one without the .jpg part in here, so I'm going to add this myself, .jpg. Now let's come in here, delete this pass, and take this responses content and write those binaries to our use it to download the image to our computer. Image file dot write, and we will use image response dot content here. Okay, let's run this. We did not get any errors. Let's open here, and here is our folder. Let's open this image, and we have successfully downloaded the image. We can I can show it to you in here. Here is the folder in the computer, so I'll open this images folder, and the image file is in here downloaded. Okay, let's now actually this is downloading just one image, but this doesn't make much sense because there are much easier ways to do this. You can simply go to the web page and right click and download the image. So we are going to take this one step further, and we will get all the images from this page. Until this point everything will be the same, but rather than selecting just one image here, we are going to select a tag that contains all the images. Let's go to the page and find it. I will inspect one image and I will close this, and as you see all the images are here. So and this div tag contains all the images. We are going to use this. We are going to select it by using the data test ID of it. I will copy this one and come here, delete this, and the image container will be equal to soup, but find the div tag, and we are selecting according to the attribute data test ID, and this will be equal to that one we copied. Okay, now we will get the list of the images. Images will be equal to, this time I will write image container and write find all, because we will get a list, and I'll just write image in here. So this will get us all the images in this images list. Okay, now the only thing we need to do here is this. I will create a for loop for image in images, and take all of this code in this for loop, and also I will change this folder name. Okay, now I'm going to run this and see what will happen. Our program finished running and we got no errors. Let's see if we have downloaded the images or not. Here is the folder. If I open this, then we can see all the images are downloaded in here. Let's look at it in the folder also. Okay, this is the images folder, and we have downloaded all the images successfully. Now we are going to go to this page, and let's look at the page count in here. It is 68. Now we will download all the images from those 68 pages. To loop through all the pages, the first thing we need to get is the page count. So let's look at the page. I will take this number and I will right click and inspect that. We will get this text, but in order to select this one, I will first go to this input area, and I will use the data test ID of search pagination input in here. Then I will go to the next sibling of it to select this span tag that has our page count. Let's go to the code. I will put those on the bottom. Actually, I will tap them and take them in a for loop for page number in range. This will be start from 0 and it will end at our page count. We will define this in a moment, and this will be +1. Okay, let's come in here and get the page number, page count. Actually, we will do this same thing with this. I will take this until the soup and paste it in here, and from this soup I will find the elements before. This is the input area. Let's take this copy. This will be soup.find, and it's a input area, and again as attribute data test ID will be equal to this one, and the page count will be the element before that. Find next sibling, we'll write this one, and we will get the text inside of it, but this will return a string. We need an integer to use this as a range item in here. So I will take this and convert it to an integer. Now we are going to change this URL Let's go to the web page and close this and go to the second page. As you see, the URL has changed and the page number is at the end of the URL. We are going to use this. By the way, if we write 1 in here, we will see the page 1 in with a different URL than the first time we get to this page. Okay, let's take this URL and use it in here. I will paste it, and every time we look through this from page 1 to the end of our page count, the only thing that will change is this part. So I will our page number in here in the fancy brackets, and also convert it to a formatted string. Okay, that was all we need to do for this. Now we can change this folder name, all images, all pages, all images. Now if I run this, hopefully we will get all the items from all the pages. Let's run this. This will take a little time, so I'm going to jump to end of the run. Our program finished running with no errors. Let's check the results. I will open this folder, and as you see, there are a lot of images like this. Okay, let's check it from also here, all pages for images folder, and there are a lot of images downloaded from this website, and there are approximately 2100 of them. Okay, now there's just one thing left that we are going to do. We are going to add some functionality to this code, and so the users can search for anything he or she wants and download all the items according to this search. I will take an input from the terminal. So let's define the input. I will call it search for, and this will be equal to input, and I can say search for images. Okay, this will be on the terminal, and after getting this input, we are going to use it in our code. For example, we will create our directory's name with this, with the formatted string. I will say search for images, and also I will use it in here in the search URL. When you search for the first time, this is the URL you are going to get, and we have searched for Python before. We will change this to the thing we get from the terminal, and also we are going to use it in here on every page. And as you see, there's Python in here and also in here, so we are going to change those again with the value we get. Let's delete this Python and let's search for here. Okay, we have added the functionality to search. Now let's run this and search for. Actually, I'm not going to run this because this takes a lot of time. So just to see if it is working, we are going to change this to page 2. So we will just get the first page of the search, get the images from the first page. Okay, let's run this. And I will write, for example, MBA in here. Let's run. Let's check the results. As you see, the MBA images folder is created in here. Here are all the images. Let's take a look at some of them. Okay, let's check it also from here. MBA images folder is created, and you can see all the images from the first page, because to not lose time, we just added the functionality and checked if it is working. Okay, let's summarize what we did in here. Actually, this summary is in here, all those folders. First, we downloaded just one image with Python, but it didn't make much sense because there are much better ways to do this. Then we downloaded all the images from one page. Then we take the number of pages from this website for this search we did, and downloaded all the images from all the pages, and there are about 2000 of them. And then we have added the functionality of search, and we have downloaded the images according to the search we did. Okay, that was all for this video. If you like the content, please subscribe to this channel because more videos like this will be in here in the future. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.